everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's finally finish off les pronoms personnels with the last topic, les pronoms disjoints. If you haven't watched part 1 or part 2 and if you have no idea what pronoun personnel is, I have given the link in the description box below. So let's begin. Now the purpose of les pronoms disjoints is to replace persons or people. Now this is very important as it does not replace things or animals. The placing same place as the pronoun. This is similar to the pronom sujet. We will replace the persons or people with moi, toi, lui, elle, nous, vous, eux, elle. So there are a few rules for les pronoms disjoints. So if the person is followed is after c'est and c'est sont, then we will replace it with these nouns. So c'est ma mère. Ma mère is after c'est. So we will write it as c'est, and we will write elle because ma mère is feminine. Next, now we have c'est, les élèves. Now les élèves is followed with after c'est sont. Now we will replace it as c'est sont and we will write since it's plural male. Now rule number 2 is after the preposition. If the person is after the preposition, in this case if it is not underlined. Let's take the example. Elle parle à ma mère. Now a is not underlined whereas ma mère is underlined. So in this case we will write it as elle parle à, and ma mère will be replaced with the noun which I had mentioned before. Let's see the third rule, and the third rule is emphasizing. When the subject verb is repeated twice. Now let's see what that means. Here we have mes amis, ils sont indiens. So if you actually translate it into English, we will say it as my friends, they are Indians. So my friends and they, practically we're saying the same thing. So it's emphasizing. So now we will write this as mes amis will become a because it's plural male. We put the comma and then we write ils sont Indian. Now after comparative degree. Now what is comparative degree? Comparative degree is que. So elle est plus belle que sa sœur. She is more beautiful than her sister. So we are comparing two people. Now sa sœur will be replaced with the noun. So it will be, we will write elle est plus belle que, and sa sœur will be replaced with elle. Since we cannot have two vowels together, we put a comma and write elle. This will be full stop. And that's it. And if you have any doubts regarding les pronoms disjoints, or if you want me to make a video separately for the full exercise of les pronoms personnels, please write down in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye.